Welcome back, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we have something special for all the lazy gardeners out there, the ones who dream of a garden that thrives without demanding too much attention. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to reveal the top 6 plants that truly thrive on neglect, making them the lazy gardener's dream come true. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of low-maintenance greenery. Now let's get started. Number 1. Snake plant Sansevieria. Our first contender in the world of low-maintenance plants is the resilient snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. This plant is a champion when it comes to surviving with minimal care. It can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and even the forgetfulness of a lazy gardener. The snake plant is not just easy on the eyes with its striking leaves, but it's also a natural air purifier, making it an excellent choice for both beauty and functionality in your low-maintenance garden. Number 2. Succulents. Succulents are the rock stars of the low-maintenance gardening world. These water-storing plants come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, adding a touch of diversity to your garden effortlessly. They thrive in well-draining soil and can go for extended periods without water. Simply provide them with a sunny spot, and they'll reward you with their stunning, unique appearances. With succulents, the lazy gardener can enjoy a vibrant garden without the constant need for attention. Number 3. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Another resilient plant that embraces neglect is the ZZ plant. This attractive, glossy-leaved beauty can survive in low-light conditions, and it's drought-tolerant. Forgetful watering? Not a problem for the ZZ plant. It's an excellent choice for those looking to add a touch of greenery to their space without the hassle of constant care. With its upright growth and modern aesthetic, the ZZ plant is a must-have for the lazy gardener's dream garden. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, known for its soothing gel, is not only a handy plant to have for minor burns and cuts, but also a low-maintenance superstar. This succulent requires minimal water and can thrive in various light conditions. A sunny spot by the window is all it needs to flourish. So if you're a lazy gardener who wants a useful and resilient plant, aloe vera is your go-to choice. Number 5. Spider plant. The spider plant is an excellent addition to the lazy gardener's dream garden. Known for its arching leaves and spiderets that dangle down, this plant is not just visually appealing but also incredibly easy to care for. It can adapt to a variety of light conditions and doesn't demand constant watering. In fact, the spider plant often thrives when it's a bit neglected. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance hanging or potted plant, the spider plant is a fantastic option. Number 6. Pothos. Last but certainly not least, we have the pothos, a classic, trailing beauty that can withstand neglect like a champ. Pothos is known for its heart-shaped leaves and its ability to tolerate low light. It can go without water for a while, making it the perfect choice for those moments when the lazy gardener forgets to water their plants. Pothos comes in various variegated forms, adding a touch of elegance to any space with minimal effort. And that brings us to the end of the video. Creating a lush and beautiful garden doesn't have to be a labor-intensive task. By choosing plants that thrive on neglect, the lazy gardener can enjoy the beauty of nature without the constant worry of maintenance. We hope you found these top 6 plants for lazy gardeners inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy gardening, and may your garden flourish with minimal effort. Until next time, take care and keep those plants thriving.